I am the fastest animal here. No one can beat me.
Beat me. We shall see about that. I challenge you to a race. This will be too easy. Slow and steady wins the race. I'm so fast. I can nap and still win.
I have plenty of time.
Step by step, I'll reach the finish.
Slow and steady never loses focus.
What? How did you beat me?
Patience and determination win the race. You taught me a valuable lesson. And we can be friends too.